Hi, and welcome to GDPR365. In this video, I'll go through the home screen of the application. Up top, you see the company name and a breadcrumb area which shows you where you are at any point in time. Above and to your right, we have a menu which has a reports section with a number of reports that you will need, the readiness assessment and the records of processing activities being main ones, as well as data mapping and data collection screens as well. Under organization, you can see that your status is active and you've got the business package. The settings is where you go into the initial interview, which sets up the service for you. Subscription shows you your subscription, and then if you click on users, it's where you can add and manage users which may have different permissions and can do different functions. Under support, we have a section which shows you GDPR, which is the full GDPR document from the EU. We have a GDPR requirements option on the menu, which is a PDF that you can download and read, which gives you an overview of GDPR. A definitions section gives you all the definitions that we use inside the system. Help Center is a full help center with a ticketing option where you can submit support tickets, and you can also directly submit a support ticket. Under your name, we've got your settings and the ability to sign out. There are help videos which are available. There's a tour which you can take, and if you have a number of organizations, you can switch between them without having to log out or log in if you've used the same email to register. So the first thing is the Data Protection Officer icon, which is where you determine if you need a Data Protection Officer, and you set up various things about the Data Protection Officer. The readiness assessment is a full report which shows exactly what you need to do and what you have or have not done, and is a useful management tool. The compliance section covers compliance of consent, direct marketing, human resources, sources, and IT and services. Data mapping is where you map the who, why, what, and where of your use of personal information and sensitive information inside your organization. The governance section is where you set up your privacy notices and define your policies. These are then communicated across to your employees section, where we have a full ability to track who has received training and who has accepted their training. Processors is where you define outsourced entities that you send data to, and subject access is where subject access requests by members of the public or your customers are submitted. Breach management is where you manage the breaches that have occurred in your systems and information has leaked or been stolen. So for each one there is a tooltip and a mouse over. If you go into this one, for example, you'll see there's red text, which when you mouse over is one of our definitions, which then shows your definition, or it can take you to a specific European Union document which links through. There's a lot of information that you can access which enables you to understand GDPR whilst you're doing and managing your ongoing compliance. Thank you very much.